What's up, everybody? I hope you're all enjoying your holiday season so far. I know it's extremely hectic out there with shopping, families, customer demands with the end of year coming up, all these different things. So wanted to leave you with a quick holiday overview for where we can help you guys as the year comes to an end. So there's three big things. You hear me talk about them all the time. The first being third-party maintenance, otherwise known as post-warranty maintenance. This is absolutely perfect if you guys have renewals coming up, if warranties are expiring. This is a great way for them to save money, and as a sales rep for your end, it's a great way for you to make money. So it's a great way for you to make money, for your customer to save money. That bakes money back into their budget to wherever they want to buy new stuff next year, or different initiatives or whatever it may be, because the OEM maintenance is not always the best solution, and it's certainly not the most cost-effective solution. So keep that in mind. At least get a quote, put it in front of your customer just for them to consider. Secondly, enterprise level hardware. This is all your tier 1 OEMs, people like IBM, Dell, EMC, HPE, Cisco, NetApp, Hitachi, what have you. Those are the big OEMs that we typically deal in, but one OEM in particular that I encourage you guys to give us a shot at is HPE. If you're not utilizing our HPE authorized partnership for spare parts, I encourage you to do so. You're missing out if you're not. This is an ideal for things like capacity upgrades, whether it be for memory, hard drives, if they want to beef up one of their current servers with different adapters, what have you. It's a great opportunity for you to save your customer money, for you to make money, and for them to maximize their budget when it comes to these different types of projects. Third and final, you hear me say it all the time, is buybacks. If you have customers that are moving to the cloud next year or in the process of moving to the cloud, they're decommissioning equipment, we want to buy that gear from you. So it's an excellent revenue stream for you, and it's a way for your customer to put money back into their budget to buy other things from you. We offer a full soup to nut solution, white glove service. We'll come in there, we'll deinstall it for you, we'll pack it up, ship it, all that good stuff. So keep those three things in mind. Third-party maintenance, otherwise known as post-warranty maintenance, enterprise level hardware, especially those HPE capacity upgrades, and of course buyback. So keep those three things in mind. If you have questions, you know how to get in touch with Allie or myself. If you don't have our email address, I'll put it below, but if you don't want to email, just direct message me here on LinkedIn, and I'm more than happy to help. I'm always available. So if I don't talk to you before, you guys have a great holiday season. Enjoy it, a happy new year, and I will talk to you soon. See ya.